I would rather have questions that can't be answered than answers that can't be questioned. The first principle is that you must not fool yourself, and you are the easiest person to fool. Physics is like sex. Sure, it may give some practical results, but that's not why we do it. Science is the belief in the ignorance of experts. What I cannot create, I do not understand. I learned very early the difference between knowing the name of something and knowing something. The imagination of nature is far, far greater than the imagination of man. If you think you understand quantum mechanics, you don't understand quantum mechanics. I'm smart enough to know that I'm dumb. The more you see how strange nature behaves, the harder it is for scientists to make a model that explains even simple things. There is a difference between knowing the name of something and knowing something. Nature uses only the longest threads to weave her patterns, so each small piece of her fabric reveals the organization of the entire tapestry. Fall in love with some activity and do it. Nobody ever figures out what life is all about, and it doesn't matter. You have no responsibility to live up to what other people think you ought to accomplish. Poets say science takes away from the beauty of the stars, mere globs of gas atoms. But I too see the stars and understand them more deeply. There's plenty of room at the bottom. It is imperative in science to doubt, to check, to question. I don't know anything, but I do know that everything is interesting if you go into it deeply enough. The highest forms of understanding we can achieve are laughter and human compassion. If you want to master something, teach it. It is not unscientific to take a guess, although many people who are not in science think it is. The next great era of awakening of human intellect may well produce a method of understanding the qualitative content of equations. The theoretical broadening which comes from having many humanities subjects on the campus is, of course, important. For a successful technology, reality must take precedence over public relations, for nature cannot be fooled. The idea is to try to give all of the information to help others to judge the value of your contribution, not just the information that leads to judgment in one particular direction. You're unlikely to discover something new unless you're willing to risk being wrong. No government has the right to decide on the truth of scientific principles. People search for certainty, but there is no certainty. We have found it of paramount importance that in order to progress, we must recognize our ignorance and leave room for doubt. If you can't explain something in simple terms, you don't understand it well enough. If our small minds, for some convenience, divide this glass of wine, this universe, into parts, physics, biology, geology, astronomy, psychology, and so on, remember that nature does not know it. The prize is the pleasure of finding the thing out, the kick in the discovery, the observation that other people use it. We do not expect to find order in chaos. There is no authority who decides what is a good idea. When you are solving a problem, don't worry. Now, after you have solved the problem, then that's the time to worry. To every man is given the key to the gates of heaven. The same key opens the gates of hell. The only way to deep happiness is to do something you love to the best of your ability. You cannot develop a personality with physics alone. The rest of life must be filled in. Doubt is not a fearful thing, but a necessary one. Mathematics is not just solving for X, it's also figuring out Y. I think nature's imagination is so much greater than man's. She's never going to let us relax. Trying to understand the way nature works involves a most terrible test of human reasoning ability. Philosophy of science is about as useful to scientists as ornithology is to birds. Reality must take precedence over public relations, for nature cannot be fooled. In science, it doesn't matter how beautiful your theory is. It doesn't matter how smart you are. If it doesn't agree with experiment, it's wrong. Experiment is the sole judge of scientific truth. I love to think. I enjoy the thing itself. It's what I do. It's what I like to do. Science is the organized skepticism in the reliabilities of expert opinion. Learn to live with not knowing. Do not keep children away from challenges. Let them face them. A scientist looking at non-scientific problems is just as dumb as the next guy. I don't have to know an answer. I don't have to. I can live with doubt and uncertainty. Never be afraid of doubt, because it is through doubt that new discoveries are made. If a thing is not worth doing, it is not worth doing well. No one can explain the world completely. The beauty of a flower may be seen in different ways, but the deeper we go, the more fascinating it becomes. We should look to see what is true, and not what we think ought to be true. Nobody understands quantum mechanics. We must absolutely leave room for doubt, or there is no progress and no learning. There are many ways of saying what we want to say, but in the end, only reality speaks. All fundamental ideas are simple. and they are only difficult when you refuse to see them as simple. One does not, by knowing all the physical laws as we know them today, immediately obtain an understanding of anything much. I believe that a scientist looking at non-scientific problems is just as dumb as the next guy. The future is unpredictable. You can always recognize truth by its beauty and simplicity. For a successful technology, reality must take precedence over public relations. The best way to teach is to show rather than tell. The pleasure is in finding things out. We are at the very beginning of time for the human race. The thing that doesn't fit is the most interesting part. The universe is not only stranger than we imagine, it is stranger than we can imagine. It does not matter how beautiful your guess is. It does not matter how smart you are. If it disagrees with experiment, it's wrong. We are trying to prove ourselves wrong as quickly as possible, because only in that way can we find progress. The best way to have a good idea is to have lots of ideas. Nature has a great simplicity, and therefore a great beauty. We need imagination in science. It is not all mathematics nor all logic, but it is somewhat beauty and poetry. You don't like it? Go somewhere else, to another universe where the rules are simpler. Science is a way of trying not to fool yourself. You can know the name of a bird in all the languages of the world, but when you're finished, you'll know absolutely nothing whatever about the bird. The real question is not whether machines think, but whether men do. If you don't make mistakes, you're not working on hard enough problems. A great deal more is known than has been proved. One does not need to be an expert to solve problems. One needs to think clearly. The world is much more interesting than any one discipline. The real fun of life is in the discovery. We have this terrible struggle to try to explain things to people who have no reason to want to know. Curiosity is the key to understanding. It is much more interesting to live not knowing than to have answers that might be wrong. I don't understand what I don't understand. There are many ways to misunderstand nature. Understanding is more important than knowledge. A scientist must not only be open to the unknown, but also seek it. Some people are always looking for certainty, but certainty is rarely found in science. It is scientific only to say what is more likely and what is less likely, and not to be proving all the time. Every problem is an opportunity for discovery. We are all ignorant, but we do not all ignore our ignorance. Nothing is absolutely right, but everything is not necessarily wrong either. In science, theories are always evolving. There is no final truth. You can always learn more. The beauty of the universe is in its complexity.